Green Air just simply does what they say they're going to do. Solar was the thing that I was looking for, and then I think when we got here, then we started talking about the whole integrated system, which included the heating, air conditioning, and solar. The big takeaway is when we get that utility bill every month and we look at that and we say, all right.
For integrated custom energy solutions, go Green Air. Get a free smart thermostat with your solar installation. Green Air, your energy solutions company.